Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 279. Alright, let's begin. First, visit the Roblox status website and check if all Roblox systems are operational. If there is a server outage or maintenance, that may be the reason you're unable to join a game. Next, open your Windows settings and search for Troubleshoot. Select Troubleshoot settings, then click Other Troubleshooters. Find the Network and Internet Troubleshooter and click Run. Allow Windows to scan your connection and detect any network issues that could be preventing Roblox from connecting properly. If problems are found, follow the recommended fixes. If no issues are detected, try a few additional troubleshooting steps. Restart your Wi-Fi adapter, reboot your modem or router, and reconnect to your network. These steps often resolve connectivity problems. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox Error Code 279. And that's it for this video. Thanks.